It's Samsung season. I just checked out the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and both phones were incredibly sturdy and premium. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 was thinner than last year's offering as well, which is very nice, and has a tighter hinge. And the Galaxy Z Flip 5 also has a tighter hinge. There's no gap at all when you close it, and has a huge cover screen. I mean, not huge, but it's 3.4 inches, which is a lot nicer than previous models. And with that new cover screen, you can reply to text, you can check Google Maps, you can take photos, you can do a lot more than what you could do previously. But Samsung only had 5 apps on the front. We don't actually know if every single app on your phone will be available. It didn't look like every single app was available when I was playing around with it. And one of the apps that were available was Netflix. I don't know why. I don't know why they used that as one of the demos. Who's gonna watch a full Netflix movie on their cover display? But you know what? Whatever, it's cool. It's cool that you can do it, I guess. However, Motorola can do it too. And that's the big thing here. Samsung has competition this year in the foldable market. There's now Motorola with its Razr Plus and its Razr, and Google with its Google Pixel Fold. And even though the Google Pixel Fold isn't officially available in Canada, there are ways of getting it. You can check out my article to learn more. And there are probably other devices coming to Canada that can fold as well. So I don't know if Samsung has the crown this year. Every other year, it's very easy to say Samsung, best photos you can get in Canada, but that may not be the case. I'd have to spend a lot more time with both devices to see if they can really compete with what other companies are offering. For instance, the Galaxy Z Flip 5, yeah, sure, it has a cover display that's 3.4 inches and has a kind of low resolution and a 60 Hz refresh rate, but the Motorola Razr Plus, it has a bigger cover display. It's 3.6 inches, has a better resolution, and has 120 Hz refresh rate. And both phones are in the same price bracket. So it's gonna be tough for Samsung to get away with the crown like they do every year, but we'll definitely have to dive in deep to find out more. While Samsung now has competition in our Canadian market, Samsung also has its history behind it. While Motorola has had a few generations of Razr, they're not really notable. Whereas we all know of Samsung's Z Flip family and Fold family, and they've done maybe not super well in the market, but they've broken through the market. People know about them, and whenever someone sees a foldable, they'll likely ask you if you're holding a Samsung. This year, Samsung's new hero color is their Mint Flip 5. It's really pretty. It's like a bluish green. I like it a lot. There's also the lilac and the white and the black that we're used to, or I'm sure they have special names, but we're not saying them here. Samsung on the Fold 5, we have a new sky blue that's also pretty. I personally am not a huge fan of it, but hey, Brad likes it, and he's important to me, so that matters. And there's also going to be some special Samsung colors that you can only get from Samsung's website or their store. We didn't actually get to see them, so we won't talk about them very much. The Z Fold 5 starts at $23.99, which is crazy expensive. I know it's a foldable, but dang. And the Z Flip 5 starts at $12.99, which is the exact same as the Motorola Razr Plus. So watch out, Samsung. There might be a new kid in town that you might lose against. Thanks for checking out our video. My name is Daley with MobileSyrup. Please like and subscribe, and keep following us to learn more about the Z Flip 5 and the Z Fold 5 and other foldables that you might be interested in.